How to make good investing decisions. Here's one thing that you need to know. I can get 10% return on my money in the stock market with an index fund. So any investment that I make is going to need to beat that. That's what I call my cost of capital. Now, what about those real estate deals that give you a 6% net return? Now, for buying real estate in business, you can use debt. Let's say that you put down 20% of your own money and borrow 80% at a 3% interest rate. That means that your cost of capital is 2% for the down payment and 2.4% for the mortgage. That's a total cost of 4.4%, which is still lower than that 6%. However, would my capital cost me 6.1%? I wouldn't invest because then I'm losing money.